Hello everybody, it's Pablo, and we gonna make a video. Okay, I've already made the video, because this is like, the post-commentary, I think. I don't know, what's it called, whatever, frick. I just know that I'm late for my boy Didi's birthday, so I made art. It's a simple art. I was planning to make an edgy thing, but I was like, you know what? I shouldn't make him suffer. Because friggin' he's already suffered enough. I mean, you got friggin' I think he's been possessed 6 times or something. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have a King Dedede remix in the background, or just straight up put the original from the Game Boy. Yeah, Dreamland. Kirby's Dreamland. Did you know that game is 27 years old? Nice, I'd say. But I don't know what to say. I just know that I say things. But y'all should play the Kirby. It's a good game. And the King Dedede is my favorite character. Did you guys know that? He's my favorite. Wow. Who knew? I knew, actually. Wow. Who knew that Pablo knew who they were? Wow. But he's a good character. I messed up the hammer. The freaking hammer's supposed to be giant, but it's just like freaking piece of wood on a stick on this drawing. I'm stupid. Did you know that? That Pablo's a stupid idiot? I'm also a freaking nerd. Oh wow. Who knew that? Okay, I was just checking if freaking audio wasn't messed up. Alright, what else do I say? No, I say nothing. Okay, enjoy art.